Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a WhatsApp group. If you want to make a WhatsApp group, so first you just have to open your WhatsApp app, and here you just have to tap on the plus button. Just tap on it, and here you have the option of new group. Just tap here, and here just select at least one person. Just select and then tap on next, and here you just have to select the group name. As I am entering friends, so just select it, and after that you just have to tap on done, and now you can see I have successfully created a group in my WhatsApp. If you want to change the group photo, so just tap here and here select gallery. After that you'll be able to choose the photo into your gallery, and now you can see the group has been ready and I can add more members in my group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.